Here's an Indy 500 pace car to check out. 1982 Chevrolet Camaro. This particular car has had a repaint, brought back to its original colors with the silver on top, blue vinyl intermediate down below, and then a little silver along the bottom. As you can see, decals, stripes, everything pretty nice shape on this one. It is a fresher repaint. Called a very nice driver quality car. See, it's riding on the original wheels, Cooper Cobra rubber. Come around and take a look at the front. You'll notice it's not full of nicks, scratches, and dings. You maybe find a rock chip here and there, find one, yes, and the car has been driven since it's repainted, but overall, very, very nice shape. See the luster in the paint. Now, underneath this hood, 305 Chevrolet V8. That is paired up with the automatic transmission in this model. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. I believe they came HEI ignition from Chevrolet, and this one has had headers added to it. Got a nice little sound. Now, if you want to check out that engine base, you can see the engine, the interior, the underside. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to be able to take you right to our website and the listing. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Interior, the Indianapolis Special silver and blue vinyl cloth combination. Buckets up front. Of course, there's your automatic shifter on the floor. Dash, very nice shape. Stock radio. Car pretty much seems to be stock, with the exception of the seat being, or interior is being redone, and the repaint on it, original wheels. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. This particular car shows just a tad over 100,000 on the odometer, but obviously has had some restoration work done to it, so it appears much nicer than a car with that kind of miles. And again, check out the underside pics, engine bay, you'll see what I'm saying. Well taken care of car, well cared for. Some nice restoration things done to this. And still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right there. And then, of course, our phone number, 507-386-1726. You see how nice and straight this car is up and down the side of it too. Not full of a bunch of nicks, dings, scratches, being out in a parking lot or crowded area. Let's check out this interior. So you got the blue on silver theme carrying through here. Door panels, both sides, very nice. And again, you can see the condition of the seats that have been redone, also very nice shape. Got the headliner, rear, whoops, sorry about that, rear seats also in nice shape. Let's go ahead and start this up. I'm just going to reach in. Be able to hear that little rumble out of that exhaust. There, if you can see the miles, 105,039. AM FM cassette, climate controls, original dash free of cracks, center console also in nice shape. See a list of this great sounding 305. Just that nice little rumble to it. Slip around back seat here and sounds like. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop the hood so you can check out that engine bay also. Alright, let's check underneath the hood of this. There's that 305 crossfire injection. Like I said, power steering, power brakes, AC. I have not had the compressor kick on and off, so I can't confirm that blows cold. Just letting you know. And it looks like it's still the original R12 has not been converted, FYI. Make you aware of that. Otherwise, smooth running 305 underneath there. Again, paired with an automatic transmission. So there you go, looking for a Camaro pace car. Here's a 1982. Has had a repaint, new interior put in it. Nice looking car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with the transportation of this vehicle to where you're located. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you email in or give us a call.